punchline. I'm talking real hard. Don't saddle up, right on in town. It was high and emotional, you knew what was going down. And they took it outside. Took it outside. It was man to man, toe to toe. You know they had to go, and nobody's gonna break it up. Not until you've had enough. If you think you've got the guts, and let's take it outside. But if you think you're man enough, you really wanna knuckle up. And if you won't shed a little blood, then let's take it outside. Let's take it outside. These days things have changed. There's a lot of talk, a lot of pushing and shoving. Well, if you wanna walk the walk, well, let's have some respect. Got girls in here, just pay your time. Lay down your bills, and let's take it outside. Let's take it outside. It's man to man, it's toe to toe. You know we need to go. Nobody's gonna break it up. Not until we've had enough. If you
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you was